What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a hardware update, guys. Today we are going over, of course, the VU33P E100, what we got sent over from Osprey Electronics, guys. Super shout out to them, guys, and you can pick these up yourselves down in the description below. There are codes for you to use to maybe save a little bit of money. Now, right now, you cannot, keyword right now, cannot buy the version that I have. The only version you can buy of the VU33P is the E300, which is 3 hash boards compared to my 1. So, do keep that in consideration, but the keyword is right now. We do have confirmations that they will be having some holiday sales. So, if you are going to buy one of these, wait just a little bit, and you could save even more from Osprey Electronics, guys. If you do pick up an E100 VU33P, you can save $125 off currently using the code Mykel125. That is capital Mykel125. Also, on the other side of that, the other E100, the VU33P, which we have the singular version of, you can pick that up for a discounted of $100 using the code Mykel it's Mykel100. Yeah, Mykel100. All caps, Mykel100. And then, of course, for the E100 VU33P, which is the single board of the big boy over here, you can save $30 off using the code Mykel_E100. And that'll save you $30 off of that version right there. So, soon there might be a E133 version and maybe a new discount code, or just a really good deal on picking one up at a discounted price, because I do think that they would be a great entry point for people who are trying to get into some Osprey Electronics gear, but don't want to break the bank too much. But anyway, let's dive on in, guys. Today we are going over, of course, the IronFish hash rates that we were able to achieve with the E100 VU33P. Pools used were hero miners as well as unminable, both of which did work. Wallets, trade ogre. I mean, if you're using unminable, depends on what you're getting paid out in. So our best attempt for the 33P was 37.33 gigahashes at around 114 watts. Now that is pretty great. Full E300 version of the 33P is able to achieve 112 for 355 watts. Now this is courtesy of what Osprey has. So the gray ones are Osprey and the light gray is me. So that is the E100. Coming in the list, we were able to achieve 33.73 gigahashes at 78 watts, which I think by far is like the best setting in my opinion, because you're still in the 30 gigahashes and you are less than 100 watts. So in my opinion, I think right here, this is your, or not right there, right here is your winner chicken dinner. In my personal opinion, this would be your best hash for watt ratio, because then you step down to 26, almost 27 gigahashes for 44 watts, and then you can crank it down all the way to the bare minimums of 22.48 gigahashes for a low wattage of 32 watts. That's pretty low. It's a whole new standard of low, guys. And that is the comparison for, you know, the E100 versus the E300. At the lowest setting, you're getting 109 watts for about 67.4 gigahashes. And this is all on IronFish using the Team Red Miner Bitstream. So do keep that in mind, that your dev fee is 10% using Team Red Miners. That is the current standings of the E100 VU33P. I think it's pretty efficient on the setting right here. I am currently mining Radiant with my E100 because I'm currently stacking bags of Radiant. Not any kind of advice or financial advice, but that's just me personally. So is what it is. You do what you want to do. I do what I want to do. If you do have one of these and you are currently wanting to use the IronFish Bitstream, if you do not know how to, you can head on over to your dashboard for your E100 or E300 model. As you can see, we are currently running voltages, and then we just step over here to the miner and make sure you just click stop right here, so that way it stops the bitstream, and we can start by changing our settings. All right, so you're gonna click right here. If you're in menu mode, there is a command line mode. This makes it a little bit easier to show you guys. So if you're gonna click the little drop down underneath the algorithm, and then you go down to IronFish. All right, so you do make sure you change all of your stuff because your pool is now different. So we'll enter in the pool real fast. And if you are using unminable, just come on over here to their dashboard and click right where it says TCP ports. I don't know if you can, yeah, we'll zoom in a little bit there. Right here where it says TCP ports, you can actually just click that and it will give you the full stratum plus the plus your port number. Makes it a little easy. All right, so then you just come over to your wallet. Now remember the coin that you're getting paid out in. So in my case, we're getting that sweet Bizzity Bitcoin, and then you paste your wallet address. All right, so now we need to change our core settings. So on IronFish, we're gonna go for that sweet money, and we'll try something a little new. So we're gonna roll with 800, and we should be able to leave our voltage the exact same. If not, we can change it a little bit. But all right, so we got our core settings of 800. Our voltage is at like 870 something. So you see, like, it already went ahead and changed our miner for us to our developer. There are a list up there with dev fees and which developer uses which bitstream. So we're gonna head over here because we'll probably have to change our voltage, but maybe not. So as you can see right here, we are pushing about 35.97 or 32 gigahashes. No errors. It has no problem with the voltage settings that we have set. So most likely we can actually pull some wattage away from this. But right now we're pushing about 35.97 gigahashes, or at the pool level we are getting 32.38. We can go check on Mineable and see like what kind of earnings via IronFish that we are receiving. So let's go check that out of here before we roll on out. All right, so we are over here on hashrate.no. All right, so we're getting about 358 gigahashes. So that is 32,358 megahashes, about 90 watts. And remember, the miner fee is a 10%. Click calculate. We're making about $1.29 in revenue per day, or about 0.831 iron daily. All right. After profits, you're sitting about 0.995 cents or 0.642 iron, with your power cost at 15 cents per day being used for my 7 cents calculations. So before any kind of power, this will not change other than when difficulty and hash rate is higher. So that's that. But nonetheless, guys, I appreciate every single one of you for getting this far, and of course for those who are, hitting the like button, subscribe button, and that bell notification. I greatly appreciate all of you guys for doing such and sharing this video. I greatly appreciate that because it helps get the word out, and liking and subscribing and hitting that bell also help the YouTube algorithm for helping push this content out and helping out new people who are coming into the space potentially looking at FPGAs as a option. So, much love, guys. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Much love. Peace out. Stay savage, of course, and keep your hashes up, your watts down low. Stay efficient. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.